name is Julie Katz, and I'm an Associate Circuit Judge for the 20th Judicial Circuit, St. Clair County, Illinois. I am also Chair of the 20th Circuit's Pro Bono Committee. Welcome to our 2020 Pro Bono Week celebration. Coordinated by the American Bar Association, Pro Bono Week is intended to inspire even greater pro bono participation by lawyers throughout the nation. This event is hosted by the 20th Judicial Circuit Pro Bono Committee, a group comprised of lawyers and judges that strives to enhance equal access to justice by encouraging and promoting pro bono work in the 20th Judicial Circuit, which includes St. Clair, Randolph, Monroe, Washington, and Perry counties. The Pro Bono Committee provides pro bono trainings and also works with local legal aid agencies to offer several pro bono opportunities, which you will hear more about later. While pro bono service is important all the time, it is especially important while people are experiencing such hardship. So we have a few representatives from local legal aid agencies on the video to talk about pro bono opportunities that you can get involved with. There is already a lot of great pro bono work being done. We want to celebrate that and thank you for all the service you have been doing. So thank you. You truly have an impact on those you serve. We also ask that you act as an ambassador for pro bono and encourage those you work with and interact with to do pro bono work and take on some of the pro bono projects that you hear about today. There are still many people in need, and we hope you will help us provide them with pro bono legal services. Next up, we are grateful to have Supreme Court Justice Lloyd A. Karmeier here to talk about the importance of pro bono. And now I will turn it over to him.
It's a pleasure to be here and to join you in honoring those who have done so much to turn the promise of equal justice into a reality. For far too many in this country, everyday life can be a legal minefield. People experiencing poverty are at a much greater risk of being fined, arrested, and incarcerated for minor offenses. Their ability to afford adequate medical or child care may impair their ability to find and keep a job, placing them at risk of eviction, even homelessness, and jeopardizing the welfare of their children. Their lack of access to conventional credit makes them ready targets for predatory credit, lending, and collection practices. Unfortunately, cutbacks and threatened cutbacks in legal service programs have dramatically curtailed the ability of legal aid lawyers to respond. At the same time, the heavy burden of student debt coupled with the shrinking pool of well-paying clients and jobs have put a damper on the ability of many legal professionals, new and old alike, to reach out to help their communities on a voluntary basis. These were serious and growing problems even when the country was prospering. They have only been compounded by the widespread social and economic disruption we have experienced during the current pandemic. Issues of food security, stable housing, joblessness, and access to health care have touched nearly every community and reached many families who just a year ago would have considered such problems unthinkable. In this difficult environment, the willingness to provide legal assistance pro bono is more than decent. It is more than kind. It is an act of true heroism. Each year, when the court admits new lawyers to the Illinois Bar, it has been my tradition to admonish the new admittees that while they are about to become keepers of a legal system of unparalleled justice, the protections of that system mean nothing to those who lack the means to invoke them. It is therefore their duty, perhaps their highest duties as attorneys and counselors at law, to ensure that no one is left outside justice's gates. The law firms, lawyers, and individuals we recognize today have embraced that duty. What is particularly significant about their contributions and the contributions of everyone who has provided pro bono service this year is that they are built on an understanding that good intentions alone are not enough. People with legal problems don't just need sympathy, though sympathy may help. What they need is a lawyer with the skills and commitment to actually solve their problems. That is the gift the people we honor today have given. What others have not or could not help, They have found a way. Their dedication and sacrifice exemplify what is best and noble about our profession. It is truly a privilege to be able to be here and speak to them today. On behalf of the entire Supreme Court, I therefore offer my warmest congratulations and deepest thanks to each and every one of you who has found a way to help those who needed your help this year. And to all of the other lawyers and legal professionals who may be watching this ceremony, I urge you to follow their example. So many people are hurting. So many are desperate for help. If there was ever a time to look beyond yourself and reach out to your neighbors and communities, it is now. This is your chance to be someone's hero too. Seize it. I promise you will not regret it. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Jessica Schneider, and I'm the Managing Attorney at the Public Interest Law Initiative.
Hello, I'm Megan Kinney, Managing Attorney at Land of Lincoln Legal Aid in our East St. Louis office.
Hello, I'm Missy Greathouse, Executive Director of Dispute Resolution Institute.
We're here to tell you about the pro bono opportunities that are available in the 20th Judicial Circuit.
Land of Lincoln Legal Aid has many pro bono opportunities. We're looking for attorneys to help with divorces. We also need attorneys to help with sealings and expungements, simple wills and power of attorney documents, as well as eviction cases. Land of Lincoln provides malpractice insurance for our pro bono attorneys. We also provide free CLE events for attorneys throughout the year if an attorney agrees to take a pro bono case. Pro bono attorneys make such a difference in the lives of low-income individuals in the 20th Circuit. We know our clients get better representation when they have a pro bono attorney by their side. So I encourage you to sign up.
At Dispute Resolution Institute, we are currently looking for volunteer mediators. Mediators will do mediations in many cases, including family law, small claims, evictions, agricultural law issues, and community mediations. Pro bono mediators support the court and the public, but most of all, it's very rewarding. And so I encourage you to sign up.
There are also opportunities available through the Public Interest Law Initiative. PILI is part of the Illinois Armed Forces Legal Aid Network, which provides legal aid to active duty military, veterans, and certain family members. We are responsible for accepting referrals for the 101 counties outside of Cook, and these are for a variety of civil legal cases. We need pro bono attorneys to join us in taking on these cases and helping these clients. In addition, another way you can volunteer is Illinois Free Legal Answers. It's a secure website where low-income Illinoisans can log on and ask a civil legal question, and volunteer attorneys can log on from anywhere at any time and answer those questions. It's a great remote opportunity that is flexible, and we are always looking for more people to sign on and to join us at Illinois Free Legal Answers. All of our organizations are here to support you, to provide training, information, and resources to help you when you take on pro bono opportunities. We hope you will reach out and join us.
Thank you again to all our speakers, including Justice Karmeier, for joining us today. And thank you to all those who are watching who have given your time to help someone in need through pro bono service. We hope you were reminded today about all the different pro bono opportunities available in the 20th Judicial Circuit, and that you will share these opportunities with your network and encourage others to get involved as well. We hope to see you in person next year. Happy Pro Bono Week.